See if my arm's big enough. Where are you at? Get over here. Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today, we're back at Hershey Chocolate World with some special guests. Of course, you know Luann from Healthy Home Cooking, but extra special, we have Skip and Sue from Skip and Sue's RV Adventures, as well as Skip Smith.
The Village.
The Villages, right? Okay, yeah, Skip Smith, The Villages. So come along with us and see what we can see.
I'm not extra special?
Not really.
Whoa! I'm glad I'm standing over here.
Okay.
Then I'll get a closer picture with you standing next to, me. Jesus, where's he going? Oh my God, I don't look like that!
That's the one I was gonna do.
Yeah.
It has the biggest head.
There you go.
Oh. And here's the new entrance that's going to be open pretty soon for Hershey Park. You can hear the construction vehicles in the background. Very good.
Hey everyone, welcome aboard the Hershey's Chocolate Factory Tour.
Blended cocoa beans into large revolving roasters. It's been a privilege being your guide today. Remember that wherever you go, you're never far from a piece of Hershey's happiness.
Until the door opens, and watch your step onto the moving platform. And enjoy the rest of your day here at Hershey's Chocolate World. So long, everyone. Thanks for coming.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. These cookies are about the size of my hand. There's a meal for you. There's one of those cookies. Holy cow. Well, thank you for coming along with us to Hershey Chocolate World with Luann from Healthy Home Cooking and Sue and Skip from Skip and Sue's RV Adventure in Skip Smith, The Villages. So I'm gonna put a link down below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to us as well as them. Oh, and don't forget to hit that bell while you're at it. And as always, have a great day.